today we're going to go and vamp up or find some stuff, some cheap stuff, only cheap stuff, to vamp up this little picture area, or where I did the vanity lights. That's that area over there where I take my pictures. We're gonna vamp it up. So let me show y'all. If y'all, you can just go back to the other video and see how boring the space is. But this is how the space looks. It's really boring. I got the lights on right now. Yeah, I really don't. I'm about to turn them off, but you see it's really boring, and it's like the background to my pictures. So when I'm taking my pictures, I come over here, right, and I take my picture. But as you can see, like, it's so boring in the background. Like, it looks boring, like just white walls. I got a little decoration right there, but for the most part it looks boring. So I got a couple ideas of some things I want to do. I think I'm gonna just vamp it up. I could, you know, paint this corner, but that might be for another day. I don't think I'm gonna paint it because I already got like paint on this wall, so I don't think painting this corner would do me any justice. So I got some little ideas of what I want to do in today. So let me grab my purse and some chapstick because my lips is chapped as hell. But let's hit it. Let's see what we gonna find today. And I'm gonna go to this real cheap store that I know of. I might need a jacket because this thong is showing. Hold on, y'all. I don't see anything. Nothing. Oops. I don't see anything. Oh, it's not good. Let me see. That's kitchen stuff. Let me see this side. That's great. I wish I was in black. Let me see. Nothing. Oh no, this is not good. Okay, y'all, so I don't see anything. Oh, look at that. Please be two. And it is. 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 This might do, y'all. And it's only $7.99. That might do. Let's see what else they got, though. I like this. I wish this was in black. Well, let's see what else they got. Let me look over here one more time before I go back over there. 3-piece. I don't really like that though. It looks cheap. And that's why it is cheap. Because it looks cheap. Two panels, 2 shirts, 2 side bags. That might be though. This is cute. Look at that. Let me come in here, just one. It's nice. I don't have no price, but it's cute. Ooh, look at that. I like that, but that might be a little girly. What does that say? All you need is love. That's cute too. Let's see. I gotta figure this out. That's kind of girly. What else they got? Let's see these things. That's cute, but there are no black ones. Like, they got silver, rose gold. Let me see, I want black. I really want something like, but that's not gonna go with that beige. Oh y'all, why that curtain ended up being $5, even though it said it was 10. So I scored with that. I got that for $5, so I thought I was gonna spend $20 in there, and I ended up spending $14 in there. Because I got a rug for $3.99, I got the curtain for $5, and I got the rod for $5. So I'm already under my budget, which my budget was like $25. I may go over my budget with what I'm trying to get in this other store, but we'll see. And look at this shit. Wow. I swear people do not know how to drive, like, at all. Like, horrible driving skills. Whatever. Ooh, treat. That's good. Y'all can say what y'all want to say. That's good. Oh, and it's nasty too. Just how I like it. Ooh, that's good. She walked fast if that's who I thought I would think it was. Oh yeah, that's good, y'all. All right, so that's my little treat. Okay, let's go in this other store. Everybody likes Starbucks. Not me. I like Dunkin' Donuts. Love Dunkin' Donuts. I'm talking about love it. I love it. Love it. Hello. That's what I'm talking about. And it's still here. So I'm getting it because it's still here. This is cute. you.
You gonna put me in it? I'm gonna talk while you talking.
Yeah, you can put some clothes on.
Why I keep doing this?
Robert.
I gotta put clothes on.
Damn, now I gotta go down.
Can I put some pajamas on?
Can you get cussed out? Yes, you can, actually.
Put pajamas on?
No, you could get cussed out. Let me show y'all what I got. Okay, here we go. Stop. This is the picture. I'm gonna put this picture right here. I got this picture. It looks so cute. It looks so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put this picture right here. Babe, bring me some nails in the hammer, in the nail glue, in the nail drill. That was $15. I got this curtain rod. This curtain rod is $5. It's going in the corner up there. Okay. Then I got this floor runner. It's not really a floor runner, but it's gonna be a floor runner today. It's just a little rug. I got it for $4. Okay, so then I got this curtain thing. I thought this curtain thing was gonna be $10 because that's what it says. I thought this curtain thing was gonna be $10 and it was $5. So, and this is how it looks. And it has tie-ups. So, and this is a 6-piece. So it has 2 of the black, 2 of the white, and 2 ties. This was $5. This I already had. It was $5 and I got it for half off, so it was $2.50. But I already had this when I was first doing my decorating in my house, and it was $2.50. I might or might not use it. If I do use it, because I have no idea where it's gonna go, but if I do use it, then I got these things that I got from the Dollar Tree, which is these little candle holders, which I got candles to go with it. And then this thing, I don't know what this is. I don't know. Antelope. Maybe it's an antelope. Whatever the one, a Giselle. Maybe it's a Giselle. I don't know what it is, but I got it from the Dollar Tree. And then this rhino. $1. So, okay, so these things was $4. Oh, $5 in the Dollar Tree. Because then I got these too. So, hush, babe. $5 in the Dollar Tree. $5, 10, $15. $15 in Phallus. And then this picture was $15. So it is $30. $30. For all this shit. Now watch how this shit turn out.
You can't count, bro.
That is $30.
Literally. I think you should only count 30.
Say bananas. Eat, eat, eat. I want to eat, eat, eat. Just go on the edges. You lying, for real? Oh no. It don't matter.
Gotta go. Come on.
Hi, look.
Nice. You gotta go.
You so mean to me.
I have to go, man.
You told me that you love me. Well, I time pop you up on this wall. I be like, I don't get that close. Not right here. Okay, that's really starting. But should I put it even or should I go up some and then up some? Yeah, definitely up some.